Imagine a Tuesday morning. The sun is out, the streets are busy, and life is normal. Suddenly, a light brighter than 1,000 suns erupts on the horizon. In less than a second, the world as you know it ceases to exist. This isn't a scene from a Hollywood movie. It is the calculated reality of a nuclear detonation. But what exactly are these weapons? How do they turn microscopic atoms into city levelers? And could humanity actually survive the aftermath? Today, we go beyond the mushroom cloud to understand the science, the politics, and the terrifying shadow of nuclear war. Nuclear weapons work on two primary principles: fission and fusion. Fission is the process used in the first atomic bombs. It involves taking a heavy, unstable atom like uranium-235 and hitting it with a single neutron. The nucleus splits, releasing a massive burst of energy and more neutrons, which hit more atoms. This is a chain reaction. Within microseconds, billions of atoms split, creating an explosion equivalent to thousands of tons of TNT. But modern weapons are much more powerful. They use fusion, the same process that powers our sun. By fusing hydrogen isotopes together under extreme heat, we create a blast that makes the original atomic bombs look like firecrackers. We are essentially bringing the core of a star down to Earth for a fraction of a second. A nuclear blast doesn't just explode. It destroys in 4 distinct stages. First, the thermal flash. A pulse of heat so intense it vaporizes everything at the center and causes third-degree burns miles away. Second, the pressure wave. An invisible wall of air moving faster than the speed of sound, flattening concrete buildings like they were made of cards. Third, initial radiation. A silent burst of gamma rays and neutrons that damages human cells at a molecular level. And finally, the fallout. Radioactive dust and ash that rise into the atmosphere and rain back down, poisoning the land and water for weeks, months, or even years. The true horror, however, isn't just the blast, it's what happens next. Scientists call it nuclear winter. If even a small fraction of the world's nuclear arsenal were used, the resulting fires would send millions of tons of black soot into the stratosphere. Blocking out the Sunday temperatures would plummet globally. This soot would wrap around the Earth like a dark blanket. In the middle of summer, crops would freeze. Photosynthesis would fail. Nuclear energy showed us the incredible power hidden within the smallest building blocks of our universe. We have used that power to create a tool of ultimate destruction. But the same science that built the bomb also helps us treat cancer, power cities, and explore the stars. The story of nuclear weapons is a reminder that while our technology has become godlike, our wisdom must keep pace. The goal isn't just to win a war, but to ensure that such a war never happens. Because in the end, we all share the same atmosphere, the same soil, and the same future. Thanks for watching.